The preferences like version control, allowed operations, etc., are set up centrally in Oracle Fusion using the lookup types configuration. The lookup types setup has a header section and multiple lookup codes to store the details of the registered users. Both the lookup type and lookup code section contain the description field. The description field is used to set up the preference supported by Simplified Loader. When a preference is set up at the header level, it will apply to all users listed under the lookup type. The administrator can choose to override the preference at the user level. To do so, the preference should be set up at the lookup code level. For example, I want to set up the allowed operation preference for the user Casey Brown. I will enter the allowed operation preference at the lookup code level. In this instance, Casey Brown can only use the update invoice operation in the template. Other users can use all available operations in the template. If the administrator configures the same preference at both the lookup type and lookup code level, then the lookup code level preference overrides the lookup type preference.